Today we are styling Air Jordans. This is part 2 of my how to style Air Jordans. I did a part 1 2 years ago, I believe. And if you're interested to know how to style those Air Jordans, I will be sure to leave the link down below if you are interested in part 1. So with that being said, let's get right into this video. Hi, my name is Afi. If this is your first time tuning in, I hope you are here to stay forever. I love helping women develop a style that promotes their social and public image without breaking the bank. So if you're into that type of vibes where we shop within our budget, hopefully you love this channel and you are here to stay. If you are a returning subscriber, hey sis, how are you doing? Thank you so much for tuning back in. In today's video, we will be styling Air Jordans. I bought new pairs. I did a whole unboxing on my Instagram. Definitely follow me on Instagram. If you don't, it's fine. You don't have to. But if you would like to, move our relationship into the next level, definitely find me on Instagram at Afi Elizabeth. I was gonna say AfiElizabeth.com. That's my website, girl. But follow me on Instagram. That's where I spend most of my days. But yeah, so I bought a new pair. And I also have a part 1 on how I style my other Air Jordans. So the funny thing about my part 1, when I first created the part 1 of how to style Air Jordans, I was in my college girl transition phase. I just got out of school and I was still trying to figure out life. And I still had clothes that made sense to me as a college student, but didn't make sense to me as a professional woman. So I feel like that old me is still there, but I've transitioned into a grown woman phase. So this video is more of a grad student vibe, is more of a going into the 3-0 vibe, growing and sexy vibe, type of vibe. So yeah, you'll see a different style compared to my part 1. But if you want to check out part 1, definitely go check it out. I'm not holding you back. You might get some inspo out of that one as well. I have some outfits in that part 1 that make sense, but when I look at them now, it don't make sense, if that makes sense. To each his own. But yeah, so one thing I do like about Air Jordans is you can style them with just about anything. I feel like the Air Jordans are one of those sneakers besides my Stan Smith that I can wear with just about anything. Regardless of the trend, these babies are here to stay. And the funny thing about it, Nike was not expecting for Jordan to make this much money on Air Jordans. Every minute, he's becoming a billionaire by a second. That didn't even make sense. But anyways, we are excited to style these babies right here. I hope you are too. With that being said, let's hop right into this video. So look number 1 is a dress, as always. And I was sent this dress by a company called Combat Shop on Instagram. They reached out to me, wanted to collab. And I was like, girl, should we? Because sometimes they be playing with your sizes. But I gave them a try and I'm happy that I did. Some of the items I did receive, some of them I'm still waiting for, but the 3 items that I received, they're all dresses. One of them don't fit me because the time that I ordered these items in mind, I was thinking we're gonna get down to Sierra size. So we didn't do that, but we were able to squeeze into 2 of the dresses, and one of them being this beautiful dress right here. And yeah, so as far as the dress, I absolutely love it. It's very comfortable, super soft quality. Oh my gosh, the material is super soft. The quality is there. I'll give it an 8.2 just because it does look like the picture on their website. Sometimes they be playing with you, but this looks exactly like the picture. It comes with a rope, a tie string. You can tie it however way you want. I will prefer wearing this with a belt an actual belt. I have a belt upstairs, but I'm too lazy to go and get it. But yeah, I would definitely wear this with my Valentino belt, just because it would do a whole lot more than what this is giving me. But if you don't have a Valentino belt, I would definitely recommend you to play with this one right here. You can tie it however way you want to tie it. To each his own. You do your thing. Style, fashion, you make it come to life, sis. It's your dress, you know? Jordan Air 1s. The Jordan 1s. So this is a bit too big, a little bit too big. This is an extra large, so definitely will say that they do run a little bit big. Actually, they run, what is it? True to size. They run true to size. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this entire dress right here and this entire look. Definitely a vibe, giving me je ne sais quoi. But yeah, this is one way I would definitely style my Jordan 1s, especially the purple colorway. That's the sneaker term, right? Purple colorway. I don't know. The purple ones. But yeah, so this is one way I will wear it. Like I said before, as far as layering up, I will add an oversized blazer just to give it a little bit of running errand girl, streetwear, chic wear type of look. So let's grab the blazer. So this is a blazer that I had in mind. As far as styling this, I'm thinking about actually changing blazers. I don't know if I want to wear an oversized blazer, because it does make this look a bit too oversized in my opinion. I might go and switch it up to a different fitted blazer. So, but yeah, this is look number 1. If you do have an oversized blazer, this is one way you can style this dress up, if you like, with the Air Jordans. So other than the blazer, I'll also style it with a leather jacket. This leather jacket is actually part of my samples for my collection, Affy Elizabeth collection. I've been trying out items and qualities and stuff like that. I'm not sure if I want to release this jacket, just because I'm a bit skeptical on what the viewers might think or the customers might think of it. But as far as like the quality of the jacket is definitely there. I would definitely say it's a vibe for an Affy Elizabeth collection. But I don't know. Y'all let me know if you like the jacket. Should I work on launching this jacket right here, or should I keep it? I'm also kind of going towards quality. So yeah, the jacket, the quality is nice. Don't get me wrong. I'm just a bit, I don't know. I'm kind of like, I don't know. Let me know down below in the comment section if I should release this jacket right here for my collection. I've been working on it, so let me know. But this is the look with this dress. One way you can style it, with the leather jacket, cropped, cute, Air Jordans. It's a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. As for my next look on how to style your Jordan 1s, the purple ones, I decided to go with my split Nike dress that I bought last summer. I did a try haul on all my Nike finds on my channel. Definitely look at the description box down below to check out what I bought from Nike last year if you are kind of looking towards what can you find at Nike vibe. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, if you're trying to look for other things other than sneakers at Nike, definitely go on the website. They have some really good things as far as like dresses, skirts, the list goes on. So I came across this dress on the website and I was amazed. I think it was a website. I think so, yeah. I was amazed on how cute it was and how fitted it fits on me. It's unbelievable. And I love the split that it comes with. And of course, you know me, I have to pair it up with a jacket just because spring is not spring here in Ohio. It snowed last week, so welcome to spring. That's what it was giving. So yeah, so I paired it off with another find from Walmart. It's the leather orange jacket. I'm pretty sure this is already sold out, but if not, definitely check out my Walmart try on haul from last year. Absolutely love this jacket right here. I have wore it a couple times and I am obsessed. I think just the look in general, I like it. It's giving me streetwear, but also make it make sense type of vibe. And of course, this entire look has to match with the hairstyle. So yeah, the space buns, the jumps, the Nike. So my next find, wait, no, just kidding. My next style with the Nike Air Jordans is the sweater from Cider and also the trousers, which is actually a matching suit from JCPenney. Yeah, it's just a nice little off-white, you know, cream vibe. I'm not sure how it looks on camera. I don't know if I like it like that, but you let me know if you like it, if it's a vibe, if you would wear something like this. I'll try to find the pants and link it down below if you're interested. It's from Worthington, I think. And yeah, the size that I'm wearing is a extra large, I believe. You have to size up. I promise you, if you don't size up, you will regret it because it does run small. So yeah, so I paired them off with the Air Jordans just because I feel like trousers like this look really nice with Air Jordans compared to my Stan Smith. I just like how they fit with Air Jordans. But yeah, I'm liking this look. I think I look cute. Let me know. I don't like it a little bit, but I feel like in the inside I look cute. And the sweater is from Cider. I did this whole Cider try on haul once again, if you're curious. And just to try something else with this look, I decided to layer it up so we don't have to wear a jacket. I decided to layer it up with a blazer, and I think I like it like this, you know, without the whole animation thing going on with the sweater. I think I like it just a plain cream sweater and a black blazer. I think it's a vibe like this actually. But yeah, if you try to talk, pour your heart out. If you try to pour your heart out, you know what I'm saying? Pour your heart out. That was so lame. Alright, so the next look is this dress that I purchased from Cider. Once again, I did a full trial haul dedicated to Cider and the stuff that I bought for the first time on the website. And I decided to pair the dress up with the blazer from Walmart. If you saw my How to Style Stan Smith or the Walmart trial haul in general, I bought a matching suit. This blazer came with the trousers, but they're sold separately, but I bought it as a suit and I am obsessed with the entire thing. So yeah, I decided to pair the shoes up with this dress and also this blazer. I love the color combination. It's just a vibe. And then when I scoot back, you see the sneakers. You like, oh, what's that? Bling bling. That's a Jordan sign. But yeah, so this is definitely a vibe for me. I would definitely style this just like this outside the house, work events. this is another way I would wear my sneakers, aka Jordan 1s, to work events and still look put together without doing the most. So yeah. As for the last look, like I told y'all before, the vibe is the space bun. We decided to pair the Air Jordan with the trousers from Nike and the leather. This is like a leather bodysuit that I got from Marshalls, and the the denim jacket from Cider. I am going to say this, that Cider is not a high quality place. It's just like Shein, it's just like Fashion Nova, it's just like Pretty Little Thing, it's just like every once in a while Zara, because Zara also has gone down with their quality. So don't expect to get something that's gonna feel like Louis Vuitton or Valentino fabric, okay? So definitely choose your battles wisely if you do shop on the website. I'm gonna let you know that right now. So yeah, this is definitely a vibe, giving me Erin's vibe. It's giving me, you know, out with the girls or out with Bae, giving me out by myself, throw on something but still look put together all at the same time. Yeah, I'm vibing it. It's definitely a vibe. It's definitely a vibe. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. I'm so happy that you came through, you checked your girl out. If you are new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also let me know below what items would you want me to help you style according to my specialties on styling sneakers. I'm not there yet, but I'm there. You know what I'm saying? Come on, somebody. But yeah, so let me know down below what items you would like for me to style. I'm also thinking about starting a new series on my channel, which is outfits under $100. So in the comments section below, write down occasions that you would like for me to help you style an outfit under $100, or yeah, make it make sense, please. Okay. Yeah, with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.